Today we're making shrimp and grits. This is what Lowcountry living tastes like.
Hi, I'm Cindy with Charleston Living with Cindy, and this is the first episode of Lowcountry Cooking with Cindy. Today we're making shrimp and grits, which is exactly what Lowcountry living tastes like. All right, let's go.
Starting this in a cold pan lets the fat slowly melt out of the bacon. That's where all the flavor comes from.
You hear that bacon sizzling? It's doing very nicely, okay? So in the meantime, I'm bringing 4 cups of chicken broth to a simmer so that we can make our grits.
Stone ground grits take a little longer, but the texture and flavor are worth it. While everything is cooking, we'll grate our cheese and we'll chop our herbs and our onions. I'm keeping the shrimp simple, just a little Old Bay, salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lemon. Shrimp cook fast, so once they hit the pan, we don't want to walk away. For the sauce, same pan, same flavor, just adding a little garlic, butter, and broth to build a quick sauce. Stir and scrape up the brown bits from the pan. This is where it all comes together: cream, butter, and freshly grated cheese, as well as salt and pepper. We want these grits smooth and creamy. Return the cooked shrimp to the skillet and toss it to coat. We're not cooking them again, we're just coating them. Grits down first for the plating, then put the shrimp right on top. Add a little sauce, some bacon, some fresh herbs, and just a light sprinkle of Old Bay. Don't forget your lemon wedge, and I finish it off with some flaky salt.
It's really easy to make, and you should try it. Let's see how it tastes, okay? Now that's low country cooking. I'm excited to be doing this, and please like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks. I'm gonna finish this.